Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X18 and I'm gonna show you how to change picture size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button, so we can open here the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the settings bar. We are from the left in general category. Let's move to the center to the photo settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down and pick the picture size option. Now we can pick between these two formats and the quality of the picture in megapixels. So this is how to change this. You can pick whatever you need, but of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible option, which is 16 megapixels here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.